Thank you to the people over at KickKleen for sending over this product sample of this car drying towel, microfiber, which is pretty slick. Pretty excited to test it out. Stay tuned at the end of the video. I'm going to do a video of me actually using the product on my car after going through the car wash. I'm not going to go through the drying section of it. I'm going to use the towel to clean, and we're going to see how it works, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Let's open it up and see what we have inside. Seems pretty thick to start off, which is great. This is how it comes packaged. Let's try and rip this off here. Of course. There we go. Okay, so very heavy duty, which is nice, pretty large. Oh, that's very weighted, which will be nice to kind of just put on top of the car and then have it slide down. So you can put it in the washer to wash it, but pretty heavy duty, which is nice. Got two different colored sides to it, which is awesome as well. But like I said, I'm going to test it here tomorrow, go through the car wash, and we're going to use this product and see what it's all about. So stay tuned for part 2 of the video where I test this towel out. Thanks. All right, so as you can see, just got done with the car wash, made sure not to go through the dryer. Wanted to test out the towel. So like I said before, quite heavy. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it in the center and then just pull across, dry. Actually looks very nice. No marks or anything on it, which is great. Let's go to this side over here. Just put it on there. Oops. And then just lightly pull, and it dries extremely nicely. Very satisfied with it. Looks very nice after you saw the water droplets that were on there to start. But really satisfied with this product purchase. I'm sorry, the product that was gifted to me. So again, very thankful for that. Something that I'm going to get a lot of use out of. But if you were in the market for a towel to use for your car to dry it off, I would definitely recommend taking a look at this towel. Thanks.